In this video, I'm going to show you how to move Chrome tab search to the right in just a few simple steps. If your Chrome layout feels a little more comfortable when the tabs are positioned differently, this is an easy setting to adjust, and it only takes a moment. This is a great little customization trick if you want Chrome to feel more organized and easier to use every day. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick browser tips like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the 3 vertical dots. This is the main Chrome menu, and it gives you access to all of the browser's settings and options. From the drop-down menu, click Settings. That will take you into the Chrome settings page, where you can change the appearance and behavior of your browser. On the left-hand sidebar, click Appearance. This section controls how Chrome looks and where certain interface elements are placed. Now look for the Tab Position option. Click the drop-down menu next to it, and then select Horizontal. This changes the tab search position to the right, giving you the layout you want. Once you make that selection, Chrome should update right away. If it doesn't seem to change instantly, just refresh your browser or reopen Chrome, and the new layout should be applied. And that's it. You've now moved Chrome tab search to the right. It's a small change, but it can make your browsing experience feel a lot more personalized and easier to navigate. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.